Welcome to Socotra, an island like no other. Located in the Indian Ocean off the coast of Yemen, Socotra is a hidden gem, boasting stunning landscapes and a rich tapestry of biodiversity. Join us on an extraordinary journey through this mysterious paradise. Socotra Island is famous for its exotic plants, captivating botanists and nature lovers alike. Here you'll find the dragon's blood tree, its umbrella-shaped crown extending toward the sky as if guarding the island's secrets. These ancient trees, with their cochineal resin, have long been used for medicinal purposes and are deeply intertwined with the island's cultural heritage. Along with its enchanting vegetation, Socotra's pristine beaches and clear waters attract travelers seeking tranquility and adventure. Picture yourself strolling along the soft white sand, feeling the gentle ocean breeze, and diving into the azure waters teeming with vibrant marine life. Socotra is not just a haven for nature lovers. The island is also home to a warm and welcoming community, preserving ancient traditions and a unique way of life. Immerse yourself in the vibrant local culture as you watch traditional dances, taste exotic delicacies, and interact with locals who will make you feel like family. For adventure lovers, Socotra offers countless exciting experiences. Embark on a hiking expedition through rugged mountains and discover hidden caves and ancient rock formations. Plunge into the depths of the Indian Ocean. Explore vibrant coral reefs and encounter majestic sea creatures. Don't forget to capture these unforgettable moments, as the views of Socotra are a photographer's dream. As the sun kisses the horizon, painting the sky in hues of gold and purple, you'll realize that Socotra is more than just an island. It's a gateway to a world untouched by time. Its natural wonders, cultural richness, and warmth of its people are sure to leave an indelible mark on your heart. So, whether you seek solace among natural marvels, crave cultural immersion, or crave thrilling adventures, Socotra waves to you with open arms. Join us on this once-in-a-lifetime journey to an island that defies expectations and embodies the essence of pristine paradise. Subscribe to our channel, press the notification bell, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure to Socotra. Don't miss our upcoming episodes as we delve deeper into the secrets and wonders of this captivating island.